Hey everyone, welcome back to our trading tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to connect your Exness account to MT5 on both your iPhone and PC. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the most up-to-date steps to get you trading smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First, let's tackle the PC setup. Start by visiting the official MetaTrader 5 website or the Exness platform to download the MT5 software. Once it's downloaded, install it on your computer. It's a straightforward process that usually takes just a minute or two. After installation, open MT5 and create a new account or log in with your existing one. Now, to connect Exness, go to the File menu, select Open an account, and choose Exness from the list of brokers. Enter your Exness login credentials, your account number and password, then hit Login. Boom! Your Exness account is now linked, and you can start accessing real-time charts, indicators, and trading tools. Switching gears to your iPhone, the process is even more mobile-friendly. Head over to the App Store, search for MetaTrader 5, and download the app from the official source to ensure it's secure. Once installed, open the app and tap on New Account, or log in if you already have an MT5 profile. In the broker selection, pick Exness. Make sure it's the 2025 version for any updated integrations. Enter your Exness details, like your server, login, and password, then authorize the connection. You'll get a confirmation message, and you're good to go. This setup lets you trade on the move, checking markets anytime. A quick tip: always double-check your internet connection and ensure your Exness account is verified to avoid any glitches. If you run into issues, head to the Exness help section or forums for troubleshooting. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered connecting Exness to MT5 on both platforms. This seamless integration can boost your trading game, giving you more control and flexibility. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy trading, and we'll see you in the next video.